we're going to change this idler pulley. To do that, first you need to loosen up the belt tensioner. We're going to use this locking pin to lock the tensioner in the up position, and that will allow us to slide the belt back in fairly easy. What you basically be doing is there's a tensioner right there. You're going to be moving it up and then putting this pin right there to lock it open like so. I'll show you that in a second. So you basically have a 17mm nut right there. Move that up right over here. It's a little bit hard to see. Right down there where you put this, there's a hole in there, and then you can just remove that easily. Just remove the belt from up here. And then all you need to do is remove this bolt. This is an E12. Now you do not need to remove the radiator. All you have to remove is this part of the engine cover right there. But this can be replaced with the radiator and basically everything else in place. You're just going to be working in a tight space, and this is a long bolt, so it takes a while for it to come out. So here we installed a new idler pulley. We put that there. You're gonna start this by hand because it's easy to strip those threads. Gonna make sure that it goes easy. Once you do that, once you tighten that and torque it to spec, and you go back, slide the belt over. You might want to pull the belt out here from the tensioner just so you can slide it over there and make sure it's routed all the way properly. And once you do that, you come back in here, push that down, remove the pin, and that's it. And about 30 minutes or so to replace the idler pulley on these Mercedes engines. Thank you for watching.